We are looking at how to pronounce this word. We'll have a quick look at what it means and examples of sentences as well, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary in English, so stay tuned to the channel. Loads to learn here. So let's break down first how you pronounce this word. In British English, the American pronunciation is different. It's said Guffaw, Guffaw, with a stress on that second syllable. Now, in American English, it's normally said as Guffaw, Guffaw, or Guffaw. Okay, let's have a look at an example of sentence. His comments generated guffaws among the crowd. Guffaw is a hearty and loud laugh, if you wish. So it's a very pronounced laugh. Guffaw, or in American English, guffaw. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like the video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.